Good afternoon. I'm Devin Nielsen from Lamborghini Greenwich, and today I will be reviewing some functions of the 2020 Lamborghini Huracán EVO rear-wheel drive Spyder. Come along with me and we'll get started. For cars as low as the EVO, it's very helpful to have a front lift. To turn on the front lift in this car, simply click the switch above the center screen that has a car icon. Once clicked, a flashing car icon will appear on your screen behind the steering wheel. When the car is to its raised height, the icon will become solid. To lower your Huracan back down, simply click the switch again, and when the flashing icon disappears, your car is back to its lowered stance. To place the car in gear, simply have your foot on the brake and pull on the right paddle shifter. Now you're in first gear. To go into neutral, simultaneously pull on both paddles. If you bring your attention to the center console, you can see this lever with an R on it. This will be the reverse. Simply pull up, and the vehicle is now in reverse. If you go into park, you will see the P right below. Press that, and now you're in park. You might be wondering, where are the turn stalks? Well, in the Lamborghini Huracán EVO, there aren't any. To put your indicators on, simply click the switch on the left-hand side of the steering wheel to either the left or the right. And to stop the indicators, simply press in on that button. If you would like the full open air experience in your EVO, bring your attention to the center console where you will find a Lamborghini icon. Right below it is a silver switch. To get the top down, push forward on it until all the mechanisms have stopped moving and your windows have gone up. If you would like your top up again, pull back on that lever until the canvas top has latched back to the windshield frame. The top can be raised or lowered at up to speeds of 30 miles an hour. Once again, I'm Devin Nielsen, and thanks for tuning in today.